What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Today you are here for a special video because I'm bringing awareness, if you're not already aware, of this very popular foundation, Lokai, as you see in the title. This foundation sponsors many different variations of charities such as the Make-A-Wish Foundation, the Humane Society, Pride, Alzheimer's, and in this case I'm talking about the Water Foundation, which this is the pack right here, which I was shook when I seen that this was in TJ Maxx. Yes, this is a TJ Maxx find. I got this for an extremely discounted price, which I'm still very excited about. So I'm excited to do an unboxing, checking this product out with you guys, and bringing awareness to this awesome foundation, Lokai. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside this, then keep on watching. First off, let's go ahead and bring awareness to this awesome shirt. You guys, I've had the opportunity to test out a couple different brands that work in customizing t-shirts and apparel in general. In this case here, this is my long sleeve tee in navy blue George Schirra shirt. You guys are probably thinking, what a freaking cocky MF. No, guys, I'm a brand, okay? I'm trying to brand myself out. If you're not aware of this, I actually sell bracelets on my own on my Etsy shop. So the link will be in the description down below if you want to check out my bracelets, aside from the Lokai. Little plug right there. But yeah, this shirt, let's give some appreciation, okay? This is the front, this is the back. Very basic, not for sale yet, but hope you like it. I'm gonna give you guys a couple facts here about the Lokai Water Foundation, just to fill you in on exactly what this does. But the website, lokai.com, simply says that the Charity for Water is a non-profit organization bringing clean, safe drinking water to people in developing countries. So like unfortunate countries. They use 100% of public donations to directly fund sustainable, community-owned water solutions in areas of greatest need. That's awesome. Guys, water is extremely important. Now, you know my channel is basically all about lifestyle, fashion, beauty, just life in general, men's fashion, all that. Anyway, water, guys, is something that is extremely important to me. When I hear that people don't drink water and they just avoid water at all costs, my heart skips a beat because I love water. Without water, we all be dead. But anyway, water is such a main component within keeping clear skin, keeping hydrated, keeping a good and healthy physique. There's just so much. It's like, I don't need to go on. But guys, if you don't like water, suck it up. Water is very important, okay? So this foundation, as I said, is basically sponsoring clean water for areas that, you know, need the help. So that's what this is. You're probably wondering, how much did I get this for? Now, TJ Maxx, if you're not familiar with the store, you should be. Educate yourself because it is probably one of my favorite retail stores, just for the simple fact that they carry so many different things, even like high-end stuff. I'm not saying this is high-end, but guys, $37 on the website, $7.99 in their store. That is huge. That's like a major discount. You're not only getting the bracelet, which retails for I think $20, you're getting a water bottle. Like that's crazy. So I had to get this, of course. Now, I don't really know exactly what's in this aside from like what it says here, or what it looks like, I should say. Guys, I'm honestly living for this packaging. The whole minimalistic, chic look is just everything. I like how every little like corner of this has something that represents the company. Find your balance, which is what this whole brand is about. Now, you could see the bracelet right on the top, which I'm very surprised that this was not stolen, considering you can like see the product. I don't know about you guys, but at least in my local TJ Maxx, Marshalls, a lot of the times you just see like empty boxes some places. I don't know what it is, but it's unfortunate. This, on the other hand, luckily the bracelet is still here. And enough talking about the packaging because it's obvious that it's beautiful. Let's get this open. Okay, there's the top. And we have the bracelet. This is a size medium. And guys, if you're not familiar with Lokai, the white part of the bracelet is, I forget what that represents, but the black part I believe is the Dead Sea mud. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna leave that right there if you guys wanna know. There we go, top is off. We have this right here. I'm not really too sure what the heck this is. Take a virtual trip to Ethiopia with charity. Water to see how clean water changes the life of a 13-year-old girl named Celine. Experience mobile VR. Oh, this is like a VR experience. Okay. You know, it's like really sad to even think that people live without having clean water. I hate to even think about that, you know, but I don't really understand what this does. Oh, you put your phone in it and it's like a little VR type thing. Gives you an experience about a little girl named Salim. Is that Salam? Shalom, I don't know what her name is, but that's depressing AF, so I'm probably not going to do that, but I'm happy that I invested within this charity. Salam, God bless. Before I go any further, let me just put this bracelet on because I'm just like holding it. And it fits, guys. I was kind of like a little worried because it's a size medium. And I have kind of tiny wrists, but not that tiny. This is really snug, but I don't know. If you ask me, I think it looks nice. I like it. Let's go ahead and open up this right here. This is the bottle. I believe that's all that's left in this. There's a little topper. Oh, there it is, guys. Okay, this is definitely... I wish this was glass, but physically, it's a nice looking bottle. This right here, the rubber part, is the exact same material that the bracelet's made out of, which I read. And it feels very soft, I have to say. It has like a nice grip to it. And this is a really decent size. This will definitely fit in like my car cup holder, my backpack, and it's like the average cup size if you ask me. On the top, it does have the Lokai logo, and on the bottom it says, "Find your balance," which is like their catchphrase. But I have to say, just looking at this, $7.99, guys, this was beyond a steal. I'm very happy with this find. It smells like plastic in there. Oh, it says "Stay humble, stay hopeful" on the top. So if you ever need a little reminder there to stay humble, you could always read the top of your bottle. So love this, guys. This was probably my favorite find that I've had at TJ Maxx in a while, so living for this. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to make a quick short one just to do an unboxing for this water bottle and bring awareness to Lokai if you guys already aren't, because like I said, it's a very popular foundation, and I live for these bracelets. And a lot of celebrities actually wear these too, so they're not just basic bracelets. I know there's a lot of knockoffs of these. I visited a Five Below once and I seen just like a bunch of them. Just look-alike Lokai bracelets that didn't stand for anything, didn't support any charities, and I was like, oh my god, really? Like, people can't be original? Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated, goes a long way. Share the love, share this video, because it helps me out, guys. I always say that, so you know the drill. But until next time, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.